Hello, personal finance students. I wanted to just touch base with you and come up with a game plan based on the news that we are not going to physically be together the rest of the school year, but we're still doing e-learning. So now that I've had time to kind of absorb and deal with that, like all of you have as well, and try to get over some of our sadness and depression over kind of lost opportunities, I wanted to just share this quote with you that's on my screen, that I always want you to remember all of these things about being braver and stronger and smarter, but more than anything, you're loved a lot more than you know by your teachers, by your friends, by your family. So even though we've been handed kind of an odd deal here, there's still a lot of opportunities left for all of you. And with that said, the first assignment that I am going to have you guys do this week, if you look here in Canvas, is this cardboard testimony. And that's really for me to get an idea of where you're at right now and what I might need to do to help you. Then we're going to start Chapter 5 things, which are about checking and banking. And each day I've put lectures and videos out here. I've told you what pages I'm covering as I lecture, so if you want to read any of those pages, because my lecture was not adequate enough, feel free to do that. And I've also put the PowerPoint slides out there that you can do while looking at the reading in the book as well, and my lecture, because it's what I use. And then there's a video out here that I want you to see and do today. On Tuesday is going to be the keeping a running balance worksheet, a checkbook ledger. And then Wednesday you'll do reconciling an account, so reconciling a checking account, and then watch a few more videos where I'll lecture about the second part of Chapter 5. And then Thursday, the cardboard testimony will be due, and you need to text or email that to me. And then you'll have workbook pages on Thursday, so be careful about which ones I need you to do and catch up on whatever you didn't get done. So that's kind of our plan for this week. Our plan going forward will be that I will cut some things out for sure, and then the chapters that we still do, I will make it probably a little more where there's a broad overview, maybe one or two worksheets or projects related to it to make sure you get the concept and can apply them, and then typically the workbook pages, which will be very specific and different for each chapter that we're doing. So we'll continue with some more banking and checking and savings related chapters. We're also going to spend some time not only on saving but investing, so looking into stocks and mutual funds and ETFs and bonds and things like that at a very high level. And then we will spend some time on credit chapters where we're looking at credit cards and other types of credit and issues that happen and how they evaluate how much credit you should get. And then we will also spend some time on insurance, looking at health insurance, car insurance, home insurance, all the different types of insurance, life insurance that are out there for you. So I want to reiterate that I will probably give Canvas attendance quizzes every day, and that's how I will take attendance each day, but the project deadlines and the paper deadlines are for real. So I will grade things as they are due in Canvas. If you have questions or concerns, because it appeared we didn't want to do a Zoom call, which is fine, but if you have questions or concerns or issues, I want to make sure that you know you can always send me a Remind 101 message. You can send me a message in Canvas. You can text me what your phone number is and I can call you and talk through anything that you're confused by. So reach out whenever you need help. That is perfectly fine with me, and I would love it if you would. So with that said, that's our plan for this week, is we'll get through the checking and banking chapters and do some assignments, and then we'll move on probably to chapter 6 next week. Hope you have a great week.